Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening. Let's do your attendance first. Attendance link and the password is in the chat box.
Miss, my name is on the attendance, right?
I don't know. You have to do your own attendance. I give you the
Because
link.
I do
I
my
give you the
attendance,
password.
I letak my password, lepas tu I cakap error pula. Saya tak tahu pula.
Kalau error, kena buat lagi sekali lah.
Okay. Teacher, can you send the attendance?
Okay, did you get it?
Okay, done. Teacher, I'm done.
All right.
Teacher, I am done.
Okay. All right. So are you all ready to start your class?
Hello.
Excuse me. So sorry. Okay. So today we are going to learn adverbs of frequency and time expressions. I'm going to teach you a few words. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm going to teach you a few words that you will have to remember. At the end of your class, you will have your quizzes and you're also going to do a little bit of writing and you will have to use your adverbs of frequency and time expressions. All right. So I can hear someone's mic. Oh, right now sounds better. So we're going to start with the self-affirmation. You're going to say, I am the best. You're going to say, you're going to cheer. Okay. So you're going to say, I am the best. Can you do that? All right. So let's do that together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. I am
The best.
Oh, very bad, very bad. Come on, come on, come on. I want everyone to put down your pencil, put down whatever you're holding, and you got to say, I am the best. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. I
am the best.
All right.
am the best.
Okay, that's better. That's better. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, today we are going to learn adverbs of frequency and preposition of time. Okay, so can you see the animal on the on your slide? What animal is that?
Dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur. Can you help me spell dinosaur?
DINOSAUR.
SAUR. Dinosaur. All right. So today we are going to learn using this dinosaur. Kita akan belajar guna dinosaur ni. We're going to use this name. Okay. Do you have your paper or your exercise?
Nak attendance.
Masa cikgu ajar, cikgu takkan bagi attendance. Yeah. Now, let's write this. I want you to copy this. Tulis besar-besar. I want you to write big D, big I, big N, O, S, A, U, R. Write it in your exercise book. You will not find this in your notes. Tak ada dalam nota ya. So please.
Benda besar-besar ke, teacher?
Besar-besar. Because after this, you're going to write. I stands for what? Ada perkataan lagi kamu kena tulis. So tulis besar-besar. Write it big. Alright.
Okay. And Miss. Tulis apa kena lukis tu? Teacher, tulis dekat tengah-tengah ke, teacher?
Your choice. Your choice. Wherever you want to write. Are you done?
Done. No. Done. Dinosaur.
Okay. So now we are going to learn D stands for what? I stands for what? Okay. So the first letter D, I have nothing for you. Tak ada apa-apa. So you don't have to write anything, okay? But the next letter I stands for the word in. Can you say in? Can you say the word in? In. Okay, masa cikgu ajar kena belajar dulu ya, jangan salin. Put down your pencils. Put down your pencils. Tak perlu salin, tak perlu salin. Put down your pencils. When I'm teaching you, listen. I will give you time so you can copy later. Not now. Okay? When I ask you to copy and you say you're done, which means you didn't obey me. Tak dengar cikgu. Alia Maisara, turn on your camera. Okay, don't write now, all right? Okay, be good children. Listen first. First one is the word in. Can you say in? In. Bila nak guna in? When do you use in? Bila kita kena guna in? When you want to say in the morning. In the
Afternoon.
good. In the
night.
okay.
January, February.
Okay. When you
October.
want to use not October, that's etc. Dan lain-lain. January, February maksudnya bulan. If you want to say my birthday is on January. Betul ke salah? Salah. Tak boleh guna on. You cannot use on. You gotta use in January. Alright? So where do you use the word in? In the morning. In the afternoon. In the night. And if you want to talk about months, bulan, in January, in February, in October, in December, whatsoever. Okay? That is for the letter I. Okay. Now, what do you think is for the letter N?
No.
N stands for
Never.
never. Do you know what is never? What is never?
Pernah.
Tak pernah. Very good. Never means tak pernah. Okay, tak pernah makan coklat. I have never eaten chocolate. I've never eaten ice cream. That is never. Okay, what do you think O stands for?
On.
On. Very good. Very good, Auni. On. When do you use on? Can you all say on? On. When do you use on? If you want to talk about days. What day? On Sunday. On Monday. On Tuesday. On Wednesday. On Thursday. If you want to talk about days, you must use on. Can I say at Wednesday? Can I say in Wednesday?
No.
Is it right?
No.
No, it's wrong. You cannot use the word at or in. What must you use?
On.
The what? On. On Sunday to on Thursday. All right. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. How about S? What do you think S stands for? What is it?
Sometimes.
Very good, Samika. Sometimes. S stands for sometimes. What is sometimes?
Kadang-kadang.
Very good. Kadang-kadang. Jangan salin ya. I'm telling again. Don't copy. Jangan salin. Okay. S stands for sometimes. So sometimes is kadang-kadang. Kadang-kadang. Sometimes I sometimes eat chocolate. I sometimes play football. Okay. Sometimes. Kadang-kadang saja buat. How about A?
Always.
A.
Always.
Good. One more. A kan ada dua kaki. So satu kaki always, lagi satu. One more. Very good. At. Correct. Now where do you use at? Mana nak guna at? When you're going to talk about time. At 8 a.m., at 12 p.m., at 8 p.m. Now, you can also use at night. Tadi in the night. Now, at night, apa yang berbeza? Can you tell me what is different?
At dengan in.
Apa? Okay, at dengan in berbeza lagi. The. Very good. For the word in, mesti guna the. Tapi kalau guna at, tak boleh guna the. You cannot say at the night. You must say at night. Okay? Alright. Now, we have one more or two more. A. Another A stands for? Always. What is always?
Selalu.
Sentiasa. Always. Sentiasa. Okay? Dalam 7 hari, 7 hari pun kamu makan. Dalam 7 hari pun main video game. That is always. How about you? What do you think you stands for?
Us.
Us?
Usually.
Very good. Usually. What is usually?
Apa tu kadang-kadang juga.
Kadang-kadang. Kadang-kadang is sometimes. Usually means selalunya.
Alah.
Okay, selalunya. Okay, the last one. Dinosaur. R stands for? Okay.
Really.
This one, yang ni pelik sikit. Okay, this is a little weird. R stands for every. Can you say every?
Every.
Okay, we are going to use the R in every, okay? So, every day, every Monday, setiap, okay? Setiap hari, setiap Monday, every week, every month, every year. Now, when you are writing sentences, you must learn how to use all these, all right? So, that's what we are going to learn. Today we're going to learn using writing using this. Okay, now I'm going to give you some time for you to copy. Can you copy this?
I dah copy, teacher.
That means you didn't listen when I was talking.
I listen.
That's not good.
I listen.
That's not good. Next time you don't do that.
Okay, I'm sorry, miss.
Okay. I'm going to give some time for all of you to copy this. You don't have it in your notes. Tak ada dalam nota. And you got to copy. You're going to write after this using dinosaur, okay? So make sure you copy. For those who just came in, kalau baru masuk, please copy this.
I am done. Sudah siap.
I am done.
Dan teacher. Teacher, I am done.
Teacher, I'm done.
All right, all of you done?
Done.
Okay. So,
No.
can you close your book and put it
Not yet.
away?
Not yet.
Okay, I'll give you a few more minutes.
Close the book, teacher.
All right, done?
Done. Done, teacher.
Okay, so let's close your book and check if you remember them. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ken?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to call out some students. Let's see who can remember. But you got to close your book. Close your book.
Done.
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 Sure. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Homish. Homish. Tell me. Tell me I stands for what? I.
In.
In. Okay. When must you use the word in?
For in the morning,
Good. Then.
in the night,
Good. Then.
in the afternoon,
Okay. Then last one.
in the January.
In the January. Good. But then you should not add the for January. Okay. In January. All right. Okay. Good job, Homesh. Next one. How about Auni Madiha? N.
Never.
For never. What is never in Malay?
Tak buat.
Tak buat. Okay, tidak pernah ya. Alright, very good, very good. Next one. I want Khaira Safia.
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Oh,
teacher.
jangan tengok buku. No, cannot see book. O stands for?
On Sunday,
Okay, good. On any days. On Sunday, Monday, or any days. Nafis. S stands for?
sometimes.
Very good. Sometimes. How about next one? Avila. A stands for? Your mic's not working? I can't hear you. Nurhana. A stands for? At. Okay, one more.
Always.
Always. When do you use at?
At 8 a.m.
Okay, good.
and at night.
Very good. Good job. Okay, how about you, Wanla? You. Alia Maisara, when do you use, what is you?
Menangis sampai berdarah pun kau menangis tak? Bapak
You.
Yeah.
Alia Maisara, you stands for?
You should.
What is it?
You should.
Usually.
Usually.
Usually. Okay, last one, Samika. R stands for every. Now, when can I use every? Every.
Day.
Hmm?
Every day. Every week.
Okay. Every day, every week, every month, or every year. All right. Most of you remember what you have learned. Very good. Now, as I told you earlier, always. What is always? Sentiasa, which means you do 7 out of 7 days. Out of 7 days, you do it on all. You do it on all 7 days. Kalau 7 hari, mesti buat semua 7 hari. What do you do all day? I mean every day. Always. Eat. Okay, very good. You eat always. How about usually? Usually means selalunya. Most of the time.
Shower. Go to school.
Cool. Shower. So, 2 hari tak mandi. 5 hari je mandi. That is usually. The busuk lah. Balik people. Okay, next one is sometimes. Small number of times. Kadang-kadang buat, kadang-kadang tak buat. What is it?
Homework.
Homework. Yes, very good. Kadang-kadang buat, kadang-kadang malas.
Go holiday.
Go
Go
shopping.
holiday. Okay, good. Never.
Never pee on the pants.
Never go to school.
Never go to school. Mana dah never go to school. Something else, something else.
Never play video game. Never do something dangerous.
Never do something dangerous. Okay, never play video games. Samika, you have never played video games? Never. Kesiannya. Okay, we will put never play video games. Budak baik ni, never play video games. Teacher pun kalah. Teacher pun main video game. Alright. Okay, good. So you know what is always, usually, sometimes and never. Right. Now, dah tahu dah perkataan tu. But, do you know when to put it in a sentence? Tahu tak? Mana kita tulis? Sometimes, we say, wait ah. Sometimes, kita kata, she eats sometimes. Betul ke? Is this correct?
No.
She
No.
sleeps sometimes.
Nope.
No? Why no? Kenapa tak betul?
Sebab
Ha.
Tadi buat but that's why. At work in front of the work.
Very good, Samika. Now you see, she eats sometimes, she sleeps sometimes. Cara kamu tulis tu salah. Why? Because you must always use, always, usually, sometimes, never use it before the verb. For example, what is Alia doing now? Alia is eating. So you must say, Alia usually eats. Kena sebelum cakap apa yang dia buat, kamu kena guna always, usually, sometimes, never. Do you understand? So, kata kerja, sebelum kata kerja, must put always, usually, sometimes, never. Let's read a few examples. I want. Kumara Rose, can you please read for me? She always
Write in her diary before go to bed.
before going to bed. Before going to bed. Now, which is the verb? Yang mana kata kerja?
Right.
Right. So, where should I put the word always? Sebelum perkataan right. See? It's before the word right. How about the next one? Nafis, can you read for me? Usually.
Usually eat cereal for breakfast.
Okay. Which is the verb? Yang mana kata kerja, Nafis? Kata kerja tu maksud buat benda tu.
Eat.
Eat. So where do I put usually? Mana cikgu letak usually? Before. Sebelum eat. Okay? Nuraisha, can you read for me sometimes?
They sometimes make a cake.
Which is the verb?
Huh?
Verb. Kata kerja. Which is the verb?
Make.
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 So where do you put sometimes? Before
For
the
the make.
verb. Before the word make. Alia, can you read for me?
He never forget his homework.
Okay, which is the verb, Alia? Perbuatan. Forgets. Very good. So where do you put the never? You put it before the verb. Sebelum kata kerja. Okay? Now, let's try. She eats bread for breakfast. Where do I put the word sometimes?
Before it.
Before?
He sometimes eat.
Okay, good. She sometimes eats bread. How about the next one? Azim plays football after lunch. Where do I
Azim
put?
never plays football. Play football after lunch.
Very good. Azim never plays football. Naruto fights with monsters.
Naruto always fight with monster.
Naruto always fights with monsters. I drink a glass of water after dinner.
I usually drink a glass of water after dinner.
Very good. I usually drink. Okay, that's good. That's good. Now you know where to put your adverbs of frequency. Let's take a quick break. We are going to read this tongue twister as fast as you can. Now I'm going to give you some time for you to practice, and then you can raise your hand if you want to read. Okay? Read means fast means you cannot read macam ni tak boleh ya. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no head. No. Kena baca laju-laju. Can you do it? I'll give you a sample. Okay, I know it's difficult, right? Okay, wait, Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair, Fuzzy Wuzzy was a very fuzzy wussy. That's how you read it. Can you do it? Can you do it like teacher? See who is going to be faster than teacher. Ada tak yang terror dari teacher? Can or not? Okay, you practice first, and then we're going to see who can read fast. Can? Try. You got to turn off your mics and you got to try. Cuba dulu. Are you ready? Okay, if you want to try, you must raise your hand. Angkat tangan dulu. Raise your hand. Yes, Hana? Hana, Nia, Arisa. Okay, try, Hana.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy has no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
Okay, boleh tahan lah, Hana. Good job. How about Faik, Ilman? Try.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a very fuzzy Wuzzy.
That's good. Very good. Okay, next one, Janish Ryan.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
Very good. Good job. Good try. Next one, Samika.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy has no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very funny, was he?
Very good. Very good. Okay, dekat dengan teacher dah. Azra Kairana, your turn.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
Very good. Very good. That's a good try. Sophia, your turn.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy very fuzzy, was he?
Okay, that's a good try. Last one, Chloe. Chloe? Try.
Okay. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair.
Hey,
Fuzzy
faster,
Wuzzy wasn't very
faster.
fuzzy. Was
That's
he?
slow. That's slow-mo. No, faster, faster. You gotta be very fast.
Okay. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. Was he?
Okay. That was a good try. Good try. Okay, now let's continue. Yeah, we are going to continue. Khaira, Safia, you want to try? One last person here. Okay, go.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
Okay, that one was also slow-mo. All right, still good try. Good try. Okay, now we're going to move on. We are going to unscramble the sentences. Okay, can we try this? Now, can you tell me what is the first one? What is that? SWAYAL.
Always.
Always. Good. I always
I always wash
wash
the dish.
the
Dishes.
the dishes. Very good. Very good. Okay, we have a few more that we are going to try together. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, but you cannot tell your answers to your friends. Tak boleh bagi tahu jawapan. You must write it in the chat box.
Okay.
Can? Once you know the answer, you got to write it in the chat box. Okay? The first one who is going to write, if it's a girl, I'm going to give 5 points for the girls. If it's the boys, I'm going to give 5 points for the boys. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Number 2. Once you know the answer, you write it in the chat box. The first one gets 5 points. Your spelling must be correct, all right? Okay. Did you get your answer?
Ben. Yeah. You're right.
Oh.
I got the winner. Okay, the first one is, first correct answer is from Saumika. So the girls get 5 points. Can you all tell me what is the answer? She sometimes
TV.
watches TV. Alright, ada yang tulis he. No, it's a she. Okay. Are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, boys, come on, boys. Boys, seorang pun tak hantar jawapan. Not even one person, you know. Okay, ready? Number 3.
Mana warna tu? Cepat lah.
Come on, boys. Boys. No boys in the class.
Fire.
Susah ke? Faik. Salah lah, Faik. Alright, the first 5 points goes to girls. Very good, girls. Okay. Good. What is the correct answer, girls?
He usually play computer games.
Very good. Computer games. He usually plays computer
Teacher
games.
siapa nombor 1?
Same person, orang yang sama.
Oh.
Okay, next one, number 4. Ready?
Ready.
Boys, faster, boys. Come on, come on, come on. Boys, send it to teacher Vashti. Are you all sending or not? Okay, can you all tell me the answer? They
They never play chess.
Play chess.
Okay, they never play chess. All right, good.
Tapi I selalu.
5 marks also goes for the girls. Okay, boys, this last one, no need to write. Tak perlu tulis. Angkat tangan cukup. Okay, boys, can or not?
Yes.
Okay, boys don't need to write. I think boys are writing very slow. Never mind, don't write. Angkat tangan.
Teacher lelaki je ke?
No, girls also. Siapa dulu lah. Okay?
She.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Sorry. Wait, Saumika. I didn't even show. Okay, ready? Go. Raise your hand, raise your hand. Angkat tangan. Raise your hand, raise your hand. Yes, Aidin. Yes, Aidin.
Teacher.
Wait, I called Aidin. Mana Aidin?
I always go to bed at 9.
Very good. I always go to bed at 9. Good job. Finally, boys get 5 points. Girls are the winner. They get 15 points. Very good. Pandai girls. Okay, boys also pandai lah. Okay. Now, we are going to move on to a little bit of writing. Okay. Nak tulis-tulis kejap. And then after that, I'll give you quizzes. All right. Just very simple sentences. Now, we're going to use what we have learned today. And we're going to write we're going to write one simple sentence. Okay. Now, you can use the word never, usually, sometimes, or you can also use the word always. Okay? Okay, you can use the word always. Can you help me choose? Give me one word.
Always.
Always, okay. I always eat
Always eat
at
8 a.m.
at the same time every day.
okay, let's give a time first. At 7 p.m.
Every day.
every day. Okay, good. Now, how about one more sentence? I never eat, okay, at
7 p.m. every a.m.
7 p.m. every,
day.
on
On Monday.
Monday. Okay, very good. Now, can someone help me give a sentence?
Okay.
The same, eat time day, same one. You give a sentence.
I
Yes. Who wants to give me?
football.
No, eat. Guna perkataan eat tu. Sama je.
I usually
I usually pula. Usually eat
at 8
at
p.m.
8 p.m.
every day.
Sama lah yang sama.
On Monday.
On Monday. Alright, very good. Now let's go and attack. Siapa cikgu mau attack? Siapa yang tak dengar tak buka kamera?
Saya bukakan.
Siapa tak buka kamera ya? Faik Ilman, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Can you give me a sentence using the same words? I, eat, time and day.
Oh, can.
You can choose anything.
Mana for it?
Faik,
Miss, can I go to the toilet?
you don't have to ask me. Faik,
I sometimes
good. I sometimes eat.
I sometimes eat at
Hmm.
6 p.m.
Good, good, good.
on Tuesday.
Very good, very good. Okay, so this is how we are going to write sentences. Now you're going to write about your day using the activities given. Now you are going to write one by one, but then I'm going to give you only 1, 2, 3. Okay. Excuse me. Sorry. Okay, so we're going to use these 3 activities and you're going to write sentences for me in the chat box, or you can also write it in your exercise book. Okay, now how do you write it? You have to use your activities. Ada berapa activity? 3 activity. Then you must use your adverbs of frequency. Number 2. You must also use preposition of time. Number 3. So let's see. I usually get up at 7 o'clock every morning. Ada tak teacher guna activity? Did I use the activity get up at 7 o'clock? Yes. I get 1 point. Did I use the word usually?
No.
I use the word usually. Okay, so I get 1 more point. 1 more point. Did I use the word every? Every
Yes.
morning. So correct. I get 1 more point. Nampak tak? You have to write all 3 in one sentence. I sometimes play football after school on Friday. Ada tak teacher guna sometimes? Yes, ada. So I can get a point. Play football after school. Okay, that one we are not writing. An activity. On Friday, ada tak teacher guna on? Ada guna on Friday. Now, it is your turn for you to write for me 3 sentences in the chat box. Can you write 3 sentences in the chat box? Mesti guna activity yang teacher bagi. Don't use your own activity. Tak mau. I don't want your activities. Use the activities teacher gave you. Only these 3 activities. Yes, any question? Write it in the chat box, or you can also write it in your book. But you must use all 1, 2 and 3, ya. Mesti guna. One, 2, 3. Very good, Chloe. Correct. Good. Samika, good. Alia Maisara. Guna. Alia Maisara. Buka mic.
Yeah, teacher.
Okay. Guna aktiviti yang teacher bagi. Contohnya, get up at 7 o'clock. Teacher kata 7 o'clock. Guna aktiviti tu. Now, kena juga guna never, sometimes, always, usually. Pilih satu. Lepas tu kena juga guna in, on, at, every. Kena pilih satu. Example teacher dah bagi. So read the example, think and write.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I say I usually play video games on Sunday?
Can.
Okay. Thank you.
Use the dinosaur. Guna dinosaur yang kita belajar tadi. You must know when to use in, on. Tengok balik nota tu. Sophia, check your notes. At the afternoon, betul tak, Sophia? Sophia?
Ya.
Okay.
Yes.
At the afternoon tu betul ke? Tengok balik nota. Check your notes.
Okay. Okay.
Bukan Syafia, Sophia.
Oh.
Sophia. Sophia, check balik nota. At the afternoon, betul ke?
Hello.
So, kena guna apa?
At afternoon. In the afternoon.
Okay. At afternoon boleh. Kalau nak guna the, mesti guna in the afternoon. Okay? Okay, edit. Homesh. Homesh.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes means kadang-kala, right?
Yes, sir.
Every means all the time, right?
Yes.
So how can you mix them both? I kadang-kala watch TV every night. Is that correct? Correct or not? Wrong. What's wrong?
Because I never add in.
No, that's not right.
I always.
I always watch TV after dinner every night. Always means every. Okay? Edit. Sometimes means appo ippa. Cannot mix with every. Alia Maisara. Alia Maisara, turn on your mic. I never. Kenapa? Why you delete? Janganlah delete. I'm correcting. Write again, Alia Maisara. Who is this? Alia? Alia, can you turn on your mic? Alia?
Alia apa?
Alia sahaja. Alia lah. Alia tulis get up at 7 o'clock sometimes in every morning. Macam goreng kuih tiaw tau. Semua terbalik. Ikut ayat cikgu. I sometimes. Guna sometimes dulu. Baru kena kata get up. I sometimes get up at 7 o'clock every morning. Sebelum perkataan every boleh tak guna in? No. Cikgu tak ajar tadi. So, edit. Tulis lagi sekali. Write again.
Teacher, betul tak jawapan saya kat chat?
Yes, good. Yes, Bella. Correct. Okay. Very good. Some of you have done a very, very good job. Fantastic. Ada yang kena tulis, ada kena edit. Okay, you got to edit. Very good, very good. Tapi ramai tak hantar ya. Razin, did you send?
Done.
Razin. I can't see your name. Tak nampak pun, teacher. I can't see your name, Razin. Satu ayat pun tak ada ya, Razin? Lagi, siapa lagi tak hantar? Okay, Faril, good. Avila, did you send your sentences? Please send it to Teacher Vashti, ya. Don't send it to Fast Track. I'm not Fast Track. Nama saya Vashti. Teacher Vashti. Avila, I didn't get your answers. Not even one. Okay. All right. Now, when you are writing, make sure you remember when to use the word sometimes, always, usually, and never. Now, we don't have much time for our quizzes for today. It's okay. I will upload your quizzes link and you can play whenever you want to play. But before we end the class, can you tell me what does I stands for? In. When do I use in?
In the box.
In the box.
In the box?
In January.
In January. Siapa kata in the box? Okay, in the morning, in the evening, in the night, all right? How about the next one? N stands for?
Never.
Never. Good. N stands for never. How about O stands for? On. When do I use on?
Monday, on Tuesday,
On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Wednesday,
okay, go
Thursday.
on. S stands for?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay, very good. What is sometimes?
Kadang-kadang.
Kadang-kadang. A stands for?
Always.
Always. And the word?
Always.
And the word? At. At guna untuk? When do you use at? Okay, at when you want to talk about time, pukul berapa. Okay, or you can also say at noon, at night. Apa punya mic tu? Tutup. Okay, next one is U. U stands for? Usually. R stands for? Every. All right. So all you have to remember is your dinosaur whenever you want to write sentences. You can write good sentences without any mistake if you use dinosaur. All right. So that's the end of our class for today. Thank you so much for joining. I will see you next week. Goodbye. Goodbye. Quizzes link will be in portal. Okay. You go and click and play by yourself. Goodbye.